Imagine earning crypto without spending hours gaming or mastering complex strategies. What if all it took was just a simple tap on your phone? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, Binance has just made it possible with their newest platform, Moonbix. But here's the catch. There's more to this than meets the eye. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll find out how this tap-to-earn revolution could change everything you know about earning crypto. Moonbix is Binance's answer to making crypto accessible for everyone, regardless of time, skill level, or investment. It's the first tap-to-earn platform, designed to let you earn cryptocurrency with just a few taps on your mobile device. Unlike traditional play-to-earn games, which can require hours of commitment and intricate strategies, Moonbix strips everything down to the basics. All you need is your phone and a few minutes of your day. Here's how it works. You'll complete simple tasks, like playing quick mini-games, answering quizzes, or tapping targets on your screen. And in return, you'll earn MBX tokens, the native currency of the Moonbix platform. But it gets better. You can also earn Binance Coin, or BNB, one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies in the world. Whether you're waiting for your coffee, killing time on a lunch break, or just looking to make the most out of your spare minutes, Moonbix fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. It's perfect for anyone who wants to dip their toes into the world of crypto without the hassle of learning complicated systems or committing long hours. With Moonbix, you can start earning crypto whenever you have a free moment, whether you're new to the blockchain or a seasoned investor. And here's the beauty of it. Moonbix offers something for everyone. From casual mobile gamers to hardcore crypto enthusiasts, this platform makes earning digital currency simple, fun, and fast. It's the perfect introduction to the crypto space, and it brings you closer to the Binance ecosystem where you can unlock even more potential. So how does Moonbix's tap-to-earn model actually work? It's all about something called micro-engagement. Instead of dedicating hours of your time or dealing with complex tasks, Moonbix gives you bite-sized activities that can be completed in minutes. Think of it as a snackable way to earn crypto, quick, easy, and fun. Here's what you can expect. First, there are tapping games, where you simply tap the screen to break virtual objects, collect tokens, or even solve small puzzles. Every tap counts, and each action brings you closer to earning Moonbix's native MBX tokens, or even BNB. Then there are quizzes, simple but engaging questions that test your knowledge on various topics. Each correct answer rewards you with crypto tokens, making learning both fun and profitable. Moonbix also introduces daily challenges that keep you coming back for more. These are small tasks you can complete each day, like interacting with specific features on the platform or reaching a certain number of taps. The best part? These challenges usually take just a few minutes, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. And for those who like to push themselves, there's the streak bonus. The more days in a row you participate, the bigger your rewards grow. It's like a daily habit that actually pays you to stick with it. But the fun doesn't stop there. Moonbix has leaderboards that add an extra layer of excitement. Compete with other users from around the world. Tap your way to the top and earn special bonuses, including BNB, for being one of the best performers. It's not just about playing alone. There's a whole community of tappers out there, making Moonbix a social and competitive experience. And if you want more variety, Moonbix also offers micro-tasks. These could include watching short videos, taking surveys, or even sharing the app with friends. You're constantly rewarded for engaging, no matter how little time you have. At its core, Moonbix's tap-to-earn model is designed to fit into your life seamlessly. Whether you're waiting for the bus or taking a break between meetings, you can open the app, tap a few times, and earn crypto instantly. It's not about spending hours grinding. It's about quick, fun interactions that reward you for every bit of engagement. The more you participate, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Moonbix offers a variety of ways to keep you earning, ensuring there's always something exciting to come back to. Let's start with the daily challenges. These are quick, bite-sized tasks designed to fit into your busy day, whether it's tapping objects, completing mini-games, or interacting with a new feature on the platform. Each day brings a fresh set of challenges, keeping things dynamic. And every time you complete one, you're rewarded with Moonbix tokens, crypto, or special bonuses. But what really keeps things interesting is the streak bonus. The longer you keep up your daily engagement, the bigger your rewards get. Imagine this. Every day you log in and complete tasks, your streak continues to grow, and so do your earnings. It's like a daily habit that not only gets easier over time, but also rewards you more and more. Whether you're casually playing or seriously earning, the streak system keeps you motivated to tap every day. Then there's the thrill of the leaderboards. For those who love a bit of friendly competition, Moonbix has weekly and monthly leaderboards where you can see how you stack up against other players. Compete for the top spots by completing challenges, tapping the fastest, or earning the most points. The higher you climb, the better your rewards, including BNB tokens. It's not just about earning for yourself. Being on top gives you that extra bragging right, along with some serious crypto bonuses. And the best part? It resets regularly, so there's always a new opportunity to claim your place among the best. Moonbix also ensures variety in how you can earn. In addition to the core tapping tasks, you can take on micro-tasks, like watching short videos, participating in surveys, or sharing the platform with your friends. Every interaction brings a reward, keeping the experience fresh and ensuring you never get bored. Whether you're someone who enjoys tapping for fun, or you've got your eyes set on topping the leaderboards, Moonbix keeps the experience engaging and rewarding. It's the perfect combination of fun and crypto earning potential, making sure there's always something new to keep you coming back. So whether you're looking for some casual fun or aiming for serious rewards, Moonbix has you covered, with endless opportunities to earn every step of the way. One of the best parts? Moonbix integrates directly with Binance's ecosystem. You can transfer your earnings instantly to your Binance wallet and use them for trading, staking, or even buying NFTs. This makes Moonbix not just a game, but a gateway to the broader crypto world. Moonbix uses a dual token system. You'll earn MBX tokens by tapping, but you can also earn Binance Coin, BNB, through leaderboards and special events. This combination gives you short-term and long-term value in the crypto space. Moonbix is more than just a fun app. It's a new way to democratize crypto earnings. By tapping, anyone with a smartphone can participate in the crypto economy without needing technical skills or large investments. This is a huge leap forward for crypto adoption. So, what do you think about Moonbix? It's making crypto more accessible and fun, and it's all just a tap away. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.